welcome to today's how-to lesson. Today we're going to do a little exercise on how to make a mood board. This is one of the most satisfying but sometimes most stressful parts of figuring out your color palette for your new kitchen. So today we're going to walk you through it so that it's as easy as just a few simple steps. So to get started, step number 1 is lay everything out. Lay out all of your materials, your door samples, a backsplash if that's changing, your color swatches you're choosing from, and your handles to get started. Step 2, if your counters are staying, we want to start here. Most of our Nieu Cabinet Doors projects are using existing kitchen elements, so that's why we're showing it to you on this countertop. So lay everything on your counter. You can turn the lights off and on a few times to see how that changes the colors. And we're working with a neutral color palette today, so you want to knock out anything you immediately don't like against your counters. So you can see here, this is our calming cream. This is a warm color. Doesn't quite work with all of the cool tones that are in this countertop. So we're going to take that one out. And then this one, although I love it, you can see here that that's our totally taupe. It looks a little more brown against this countertop. I don't think, again, that it's quite working with the cool tones. So I'm going to knock those out. Look, we're getting things a little bit simpler, a little bit easier in this mood board. 3 we call How About the Backsplash. So this kitchen is going to be using this very sweet marbled vein backsplash, and we want to put the colors against that with the countertop in the background to see how those elements work together. So again, I'm going to knock out something that I don't like, and you might notice here, it may be hard for you to see on camera, but this white here is our winter white, and that's the color that we have the doors in today. And this white is our whimsical white. The whimsical white leans a little bit warmer, so you can see it might look a little more creamy colored on your screen. And this kitchen's really cool tone oriented. So I'm actually going to take this one out, and now we're down to just 3. Step 4, get on the floor. If your floors are staying the same, you've got to get down here and repeat this exercise like with our counters, but with our flooring. Keep in mind, cabinets are sandwiched between your countertop and your flooring, so whatever you select has to work with both. When we get down here, just like with the countertop, we've got to kick out anything that we don't like. Now, you guys might notice that this gray, when we put it against this very gray floor, actually is looking quite blue. And as much as I thought I would like that gray, against this flooring, I think it's just not going to work. So, easy decision. Let's kick it out. So another thing we want to do on the floor is we want to also look at how the colors of our handle selections look. I'm liking this silver handle and I'm liking the glass knob. This is a sweet porcelain vintage looking knob. You can see it's got a gold accent on it. And you know what, with the cool colors of this floor and these cool tones that I'm going with, the gold just really doesn't work. With your cool colors, you typically like silvers, and with warmer colors, you can work with golds and brasses. You can use different ones for different accents, but this one's just not working for me, so we're gonna kick that one out. We always recommend is lay your knobs out on your door. This is just a cute little sample door, but it's still a helpful exercise so that you can make some decisions. So this one's a sweet little glass knob, and as much as I love it, when I look at it on the door, I think it might look a little bit small on some of those bigger cabinet doors, and a glass knob's not your most durable option for a kitchen. Might be really cute in a bathroom with just a few little doors, but I think that means as much as we love it, we're going to take this one out. People really love about a bar handle is you can typically order them in a bunch of different sizes so that you can scale them up or down depending on the size of the door. It's a very close call between these two doors. On the left we have the shaker door, just the simple shaker, and on the right this is our super shaker. So you can see on this one that it's got that really beautiful crisp beveling all the way around the door. It just gives you that extra custom look. And then the shaker, very classic, very timeless, absolutely seamless around the profile, and a straight edge down to the flat center panel. So for this mood board, I'm just loving the super shaker door. So we're gonna get rid of this regular shaker. We've got our super shaker with this handle, and now comes the tricky part of which of these two colors are we going to pick. So a reminder that this white is the white you see on the door. It's the winter white. And then this gray, your samples will be marked. This is what we call our brightly beige color. And After looking at the flooring, looking at this counter that's staying, the backsplash, if you look at these two, because it'll be this door, which is this color, or this gray, I think a beautiful choice will be these colors all together. So I think we've made a decision. Super shaker in brightly beige with a beautiful silver handle. Let's get ready to adore our doors. Have fun with it. Turn your lights on and off, open and close your window blinds, call your mom, ask your dog, and then most importantly, sleep on it. Look at your colors and materials the next day at a different time of day with different lighting. Come back with a critical eye, make choices you love, and get ready to adore your doors.